CBSE declares class 12th result evaluation criteria. Let's see. Hello everyone, KR Chemistry welcomes you. Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe the channel and never forget to press the bell icon. Hey my dear students, welcome to my channel KR Chemistry. Now, the big news coming out from the CBSE board, and the CBSE board declares how the evaluation of 12th results is going out. So the best thing is CBSE ये डिसाइड किया है कि 12th रिजल्ट वो कैसे इवेल्युएशन करेगा. So and this topic is the CBSE 12th result evaluation, and that will be decided by the CBSE 12th board. That committee decided how the 12th result will be declared, and that will be declared very soon, that is in between 1 month, that is the last date on or before 31st July. The CBSE 12th will declare the board result, and how he will declaring the board result. See how CBSE declare the board result. CBSE decided that he will declare the board result on the basis of 30%, 30% and 40%. This formula will be applied on the evaluation of 12th result. What is the this 30%, this 30% and this 40%? This 30% is on the basis of your 10th mark, and this 30% is on the basis of your 11th mark, and this 40% is on the basis of your 12th mark. This 30% that is your 10th mark क्या होता है कि आपका जो 10th रिजल्ट है, आपके पास जो 10th रिजल्ट है, आप जाके चेक कर सकते हो. आपका जो बेस्ट 3 मार्किंग है, 3 रिजल्ट है, बेस्ट 3 रिजल्ट्स, दैट इज योर बेस्ट 3 सब्जेक्ट्स जिसमें आप अच्छा सिक्योर किए हो. आपका बेस्ट 3 सब्जेक्ट में जिसमें आपका नंबर अच्छा है, वो 3 सब्जेक्ट को लेकर ये वाला 30% मार्किंग आ जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या होगा ना, जो 11th में आपका मार्किंग आया है, उस 11th मार्क में वही फॉर्मूला बेस्ट 3 सब्जेक्ट्स, आपका जो बेस्ट 3 सब्जेक्ट कौन सा सब्जेक्ट में, इन विच सब्जेक्ट्स यू विल सीक योर गुड मार्क इन बेस्ट मार्क्स, दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज योर 30% mark in 11th and also for 10th. Next is on 40%. What is the 40%? This is the very important. What 40% that the CBSE will be decided to take as your result for 12th. This 40% is on the basis of your 12th unity test or class test. That is your class test. आपका जो क्लास टेस्ट हुआ है, कौन सा क्लास टेस्ट है, क्लास टेस्ट में आपका कैसा परसेंटेज आया है, कितना आया है परसेंटेज, वो क्लास टेस्ट के बेसिस में ये वाला 40% लिया जाएगा. और क्या ले जाएगा ना, और प्रैक्टिकल के बेसिस में, प्रैक्टिकल बेसिस. एंड दिस 40% इज ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन प्री बोर्ड, दैट इज योर प्री बोर्ड टेस्ट. All the CBSE schools conducted their pre-board test before the pandemic, and so that their pre-board marking and your class test, unit test and practical marking will be considered as your 12th result evaluation. This news is declared before some hours, and this is the evaluation criteria of your 12th result evaluation. So if some of the students, if the students they are not, अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट क्या होगा, सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगा, if they are not satisfied on the result, that will be decided by the 12th board, CBSE board, then they will again appear the exam. they will be able to appear the exam after this pandemic will get recover somehow. Then अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट क्या होता है कि ये जो रिजल्ट में सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगा तो वो क्या करेगा, वो अप्लाई कर सकता है जब ये सिचुएशन बेहतर हो जाएगा, थोड़ी बहुत सिचुएशन में सुधार आ जाएगा, उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर हो सकते हैं. मगर in my opinion you will be better to prepare for your competitive exams rather than focusing on your 12th result, because if you are focusing on your 12th result then this will hamper in your competitive exams. So rather than focusing on your 12th results, it's best to focus on your competitive exam, so that you will be getting better rank or better result in your competitive exams. So this is the main criteria there. This is the criteria that coming out from the CBSE board, or CBSE board give their opinion about the 12th result evaluation. So keep watching my channel for better news, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.